Oh, that dog, man. Hi, it's Sean from Laramie County Library. Just wanted to give you a little heads up about what's going on this year for summer reading. So our challenge is a little different this year. Instead of being able to pick either days, books, or hours, we're going to do minute challenges. So for the entire thing, it's 1,200 minutes. But in the meantime, you can win raffle tickets for our fabulous prizes at the end of the summer. Every 100 minutes that you read will give you 10 raffle tickets. 1,200 minutes seem like a lot? Well, it kind of is, but we're here to help you out. With different book clubs that we have and story times, you can use that to your advantage that count towards minutes for your overall summer reading challenge. And don't forget, graphic novels count, short stories count, listening to audiobooks count. Have a parent that likes to read to you? Have them read to you. That counts as well. So come and join us for summer reading this summer and believe in the impossible.